A year has passed, and once again, on behalf of the Najran Health Affairs General Directorate, we are extremely proud and delighted to welcome you to the second Najran Health Forum, NHF 2020, which will take place from 14th to the 15th of December 2020. As we stand united and strong against the ongoing pandemic crisis, we are eager to move forward with modern technology and continue on our second forum through virtual meeting. The goal of NHF 2020 is to provide a very engaging and meaningful experience for all the attendees, and with that being said, the initial objective of our goal is for all of you to explore this easy sign-in process through the following steps. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Welcome Note. You can directly watch the Welcome Note lobby. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. While zooming in all tabs, you can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the Auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Raise Hand icon to get the attention of the speaker or moderator and ask your questions to the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hallwise. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will be showcasing the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You will also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, you can ask the online representatives through joining Information Desk chat room, type your questions, and get your answers in real time. Speakers Long. This long is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Long. Lastly, the Networking Long is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. Join us and expand your network, meet our global and national partners, gain an amazing opportunity to share ideas, and learn about the significant advances across our scientific program.